So here is the outline for today. First of all, I will introduce some news in display, include dual unit display, extreme value finder, fiber visualization with ellipsoid, and also result criteria. And next, I will introduce clamping force enhancements, including clamping force predictions, restrict clamping force. And then I will introduce some news in measurement, like how to measure parallelism, perpendicularity, and roundness. Next, I will introduce the model deformation and comparison, includes explode non-uniformly scope deform model, and the best fit, which is the new feature, and also compact wizard. Last but not least, I will introduce this optimization and include the DOE wizard and also AI optimization wizard.